Get that big move up there for a minute. I've been wrecked with these fees, man. Almost $200 in fees. See if we're gonna finally get that move up. We are not giving it much room to run, so what are we gonna risk? We'll risk $20 here. This trade's only good if we get above the pivot. We've been struggling to get above this pivot. We've been consolidating in this area for a little while. We are in that macro time of the hour, so we could easily get a move straight down or straight up at this moment because we're kind of moving. We're kind of becoming flat with our EMAs. Let's see, we're going back down. See, we're struggling to move. Looks like above that 36 level. Did oh, let me get my. I forgot to bring my menu over. Hey, Clarity, how are you doing this evening? We're still green at the moment. We really need to put our accounts away so we're not sitting here over trading. Oh. Looks like we may have to wait for the crossover here. So we're in kind of in that macro time. I mean, by looking at the non and stuff, we're look like we're rolling over. Let me take a look at the higher time frames. See, higher time frames kind of have you fake out here. And the 15 minutes is rolling over, so might just be a fake out. I got burned at this freaking pivot earlier. Trying to get back green on a few PAs. Man. I got to break even fairly quick on these. I've lost a few of these pivot trades, which it looks like we're about to lose again. Damn it. I've been trying to time this freaking pivot breakout. And If it fails this time, we're not going to try it again. We tried it a while ago on a few micros, and we're going to go to break even quick if it even has any kind of. All right, so we're above the pivot. Oh, come on. Stay above the pivot. So we're in this trade for about $60 if we lose. All right. We're just going to put it at the pivot, and we'll just take a risk of losing, what's that, $20 or so. Let's see, is it going to finally go? Ah, dang it. We might have missed the move up. Holy crap. I couldn't time it quick enough. I tried to jump in like down at the 15s. Yeah, we longed. Might have to just take this trade off of my volume trade. I'm struggling a little bit. We're over trading a little bit. I'm gonna try that freaking pivot trade like 3 times already. Yeah, we were long Trader G. I'm hoping this 36 holds. Pull back. Come on. Still, we're stuck at that. Man, we've been hovering around that pivot for a little while. There we go. It's finally going. It's going to go without us, though. You're not still long, are you, Trader G? Wow, that's pretty awesome. Still long. Just got a few minutes ago. Where was your entry at? Where'd you get long from? The 85s? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, there's been a lot of support in that area. What's up, Black Beauty? How are you doing today? Let's check this 1 minute chart here. So your 1 minute still kind of flat. I would think this level here would hold this 105 EMA. No. Yeah, I know what you mean. I mean, we possibly could fill in this gap here, but just kind of watching the ES to see if that 36 is going to hold. Do I want to take this? Hopefully it gets a better. No, good. Whew. I was definitely wanting a better pullback. Dude, don't tell me we're going to break out above the pivot now. What the heck? Do we want to try this pivot trade again? Whew. I didn't try this thing twice already. All right, we're going to give it a whirl again. Sideways. Yeah, I've been getting myself burned at this pivot. We've been shooting for the pivot breakout. Oh, come on, pivot. We only lost 26 bucks off that trade. We're just in it for 3 micros at the moment. Might have to end up waiting for like power hour the last 10-15 minutes. So we're still just kind of stuck at that pivot at the what, 210s, 212s. We're also trading the volume chart too. Man, where the hell did that come from? Let's see what happens when we get below this fair value gap here. Sounds good, Trader G. Have a good evening. Have a good day at week. A good day at work this week if you have to travel. What moves are you getting stopped out on, Eric? Is it are you doing like trying to breakout sessions? Is that what you're getting stopped out on? You're trading. You're going to trade on a. Are you trading on a 5-second time frame, Black Beauty? I have never taken one single trade on a 5-second chart. I can't imagine what that looks like. Oh, you're doing a paper trading to see what it looks. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I don't ever do the second charts, guys. Shoot, that 5 seconds there looked like a huge breakout, and that thing just went like just a couple handles. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're watching. That was so fast. Man, I hesitate to hitting the button like on a, the 1 minute, let alone I couldn't imagine trying to do no 5 seconds. We're also trading the volume charts too, off to the side. I need to be on a sim account. I keep going up and down on my profit. We make profit, lose the profit. Make profit, lose profit. The amount of using Bulinox, the amount of the fees that I've gotten today. So I'm sitting at $893. Well, 25,893. That's net liquidation, but cash value is 26,133. So what is that? Almost like $200 just in freaking fees. I know they add up so quick. The VWAP. Guys, there's really not a lot to do here. I mean, I've been trying to trade this, but it's really hard to trade this. I mean, I may look for a short if we can get below this fair value gap here. But we're just in a I mean, look at this huge range that we're in at this moment. So, about a 30-point range. And realistically, it's smaller than that. We really have struggled to move above the 20s. This right here is what's been mainly causing the pivot sell, the pivot trades to fail. I mean, we're just not pushing up. Usually what happens is you try multiple times to get those breakouts, then the one time you don't take it, that's when it goes. Yeah, Black Beauty. I've never really been good at that. I mean, I've tried trading like that, but I've never had much luck in doing it where you trade the box. We got Methodical Man sitting on the sidelines waiting for the 350 algo. All right, we're pushing again. Are we finally going to push up? Hmm. So this is why I've been staying away from the pivot longs. We've already tried that pivot long a couple times and it hasn't worked out. Generating upside liquidity. We got. Yeah, me too. So he's got stationary orders. Ponzi man, we done try to walk that plank 3 times already. We have already tried to walk this pivot plank up here, and it just was not giving it up. Well, you think we might get to the 56? We may take a short off of this gap here. We'll see. We will see. So, guys, we're only in it for 3 micros, so we're not going in deep. All right, we're playing peekaboo with the inversion gap here. Let's see if we can stay on the outside. Come on. Don't dirty trade on us. Might have entered. Woo! Look at her pay. We had the methodical man guarantee. Oh, maybe not. We didn't have a full guarantee, but I feel like we had a little bit. I lost my runner. I lost my runner. Oh. Is this thing gonna offer us a second entry? Pull back into the gap. I'll take a second entry. Got your 10 points. Yeah, we may jump back in depending on what this candle does. I was almost too late myself, Clarity. Was supposed to wait for it to get past this thing here, but I feel like we're going to go. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't need a deeper pullback than what we got. Oh, that's not looking pretty. Oh, man. We gave back our profits that we just made. Hope you're not going in heavy there, methodical man. Better keep it light. Your stop is 600. Oh. So we got the 20 pullback there. We're struggling. Come on. Man. Time is it? Oh, come on now. Let's get some money off our runners. Our runners have been getting stopped out. We're just going to target 70. That'll be 20 points if we hit it. All right. We were just trying to take some points. Unfortunately, we lost. We re-entered and we got stopped out a while ago. A little early. But once I saw us kind of go back and retest that 20 EMA, I figured we were going to go down after we retested it. That's why you gotta manage the trades, keep the stop losses small. May even go down to 2 micros now. Just it's the end of the day. We don't want to be losing a bunch, but we wouldn't mind stabbing them maybe a time or two. See if we can get that big end of the day trade. I mean, it looks like it's still got, what'd you say? 63s? We got equal lows right there. Is that what you were saying? Oh, we already ran the equal lows. Oh, 73 was the equal lows. I was thinking it was the 63s. Here's the pullback. Man, last time I tried this early, we got burned. If it just get a little bit deeper in there, yeah, a little bit. What do we mean this trade? 5, 8. What is that? 8 times 2. What's 8 times 2? What's that? No, 8 times 4. $32. I think this is what this trade will cost. $32. Yeah. Come on. Oh well, we won't try it a second time. We'll have to wait again. There comes the yeah, I know. Well, you're supposed to use the previous candle as your stop loss, methodical. That would have been your this. Unfortunately, it come back and stopped us out. But this is what it should have been. You should have got your 5 points plus a runner. Yeah, maybe we can get into the big move at the end of the day. Oh, we're probably going to miss out on this whole trade down. This is the trade I was trying to enter, guys, right here. That usually doesn't happen too often where you get the candle that prints below this candle to come back and stop you out, but it does happen. So you would have, it still would have been the same entry. 78 would have been your entry. I know, and I missed it. I missed it. We were there. It came back and got us. Oh, goodness. Oh, man. That sucks. That sucks. I missed out on a good 10 plus point move. Oh, gonna drop the band hammer. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, dude. These dudes have me over here tripping out laughing. That's just crazy. We're listening to some zero day J on the side. 30-point move if you're able to, you know, if you had the diamond hands to stay in. Oh, good. You're gonna try to pass it. You're gonna try to pass my funded futures. Ah. All right, we're back at that 30 level. Man, if we push through that 30, you might get a quick move through, but a pullback. Which inverse are you looking at here? What time frame? 30 seconds? I know, Clarity. We unfortunately we missed out on this second short. We were in it, but I just didn't have my stop loss in the right spot. You're not talking about this little old gap right here, are you? Oh no. We were trying to time that right with the for the 50 algorithm over there. Oh goodness. You chose long, I chose short. Dang it. Oh. 608 target. What do we got? Four minutes before the 55. Nice. What do we still got? About three minutes. Ooh, look at her go. We got we're about to hit the 55 algo. Nothing. Everything's kind of flat at the moment. Pump it. If I go short, it'll go back up. Free trade, come on. Go, 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 go. No. No, it's going to go back. Dang it. The runner, I was hoping we'd get like a 50, 60 point move out of this runner. Oh, well, guys, that was my last trade of the day. We were able to get a little short for the sell below the 30. So we didn't get all of our profits back. We were at 420, so we're going to end up with 363 today. Nice clarity. Nice. It's probably going to continue. I mean, the ES is still looking kind of weak over here. But I'm done taking chances. Oh, look at that fake breakout on us. I mean that that false breakout below the 30. Oh goodness. Man, is this thing gonna run all the way back up to the 650s? Yeah, it's going. Let's see. We'll see if we can take it up there with it. It's probably gonna come back and get us. All right. Got a little frisky there at the close. We're still able to stay above 300. Whoa, why didn't my trade close out? That was weird. All right, guys. We will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, did you get close to getting that My Funded Futures done, Methodical Man? Okay. Yeah, we still need $600 more in this eval here. We're sitting at 784. But that's all good. We were able to pass another eval today. And we're in that range where it can kind of make you nervous because we only needed like $40 to pass. Then we have been, if you were with me earlier this morning, we have been trading this 90% eval pretty aggressively. Basically, what we've been doing is just trying to keep our losses very minimum, no more than like $50, $60.